This is the video in this series under the data structured and algorithms. So last video we have discussed list stack. So I hope you have a good idea about list stack. Today I hope to discuss Breadth-First Traversal. So the lesson we are talk binary tree travelers. The binary tree travelers and Breadth-First travelers are same. So this lesson we are talk about Breadth-First travelers, same to binary tree travelers. So the lesson we are working with trees. After the video you can learn simple idea about tree, how does work Breadth-First travels, and code and implementation about Breadth-First travels. Okay, first of all, what is tree? Trees are not a linear data structure like array or linked list. Linear data structure has logical start and logical end, but tree didn't has logical start and logical end. There has a started node and end node. Look at this image. You can get some idea. The linear data structure like linked list, there are definitely have less processing element. There are binary tree, for example. The tree has more than one possible direction, and also tree start with the root node. Now let's see what is tree travelers. Tree travelers is reading or processing each node data in the tree exactly once in same order. There are two types of tree travelers. First one is Breadth-First travelers and the second one is Depth-First travelers. So this video I discuss first one, Breadth-First travelers. Let's see what is Breadth-First travelers. We can call Breadth-First travelers another name. That name is level order travelers. So let's see what is level order travelers. Okay, I'll give you a simple idea about what is Breadth-First travelers. Breadth-First travelers is visit all the nodes at the same level before moving to the next level. It's also called level order travelers. You can see the example video. How does work level by level Breadth-First travelers work. Let's see how's BFS work. Start from root node and make it as a visited node. And the root node is a queue. While the queue is empty, we can do some operations like remove a node from the queue, process the node, and add this unvisited node to the queue. Now I show you sample video how tree Breadth-First travelers working. First of all, what is breadth? The breadth words give like broad wide meaning. So let's use following tree, get some simple idea about how does work Breadth-First travelers. Tree is also unconnected graph. So tree is a collection of vertices and edges. The sample video, the root node is A. So you have to keep track two things. First, node we have visited, the color is black. And second one is nodes that are in the queue that are in line to be a visit will be the color gray. That example also you can see the level by level travelers. So first level travels, and after second level, and after third level. Light is this is Breadth-First travels. So now let's move to the code implementation. Okay, look at the code. First of all, I create a Java class project in NetBeans IDE. IDE. I name it BFS tree project. Then after I'll create a Java class in this project. The Java class name is BFS tree example. So then after I import Java util star, it means import all the Java packages. After create a class for node class to represent each node in the binary tree. This class represent all nodes in the binary tree. So you can easily understand. I given line by line comment. So then after I will create node class and within parameters. So you can understand constructor to initialize a node with the data and set left and right to null. Then after we will move to the public class. This is the main class. So public class BFT tree example, root node of the tree. First of all, the class we identify root node of the class. Then after we'll create a method to perform breadth-first search or level order travel. I say earlier the breadth-first travels and search and level order travels are same. So this is another simple method, and this method check the tree is empty or not. When tree is empty, this method print to us the tree is empty. So in this part we used to queue to help with the BSF travels. So that is this simple code part, and this line do add the root node to the queue. This line do the root node add to the queue to travel first. Then this is the while loop. This while loops do continue until the queue is empty. This part do the continue to the queue is empty. The queue is empty. Until queue is empty, this while loops run. So if current dot left equally not equal null, queue at current dot left. This part do and the left child to the queue if it exists. This part also like that. Add the right child to the queue if it exists. Let's move to the main method. This is main method, and this is object called. Then you can understand easily. I use simple comment to easily understand. Manually creating a simple binary tree. This is tree structure. These are calling our earlier created methods. So this line say tree root equal new node 1. So you can understand. So this means the new node initialized to 1, and this says left child and this is right child. the values addition. So then after the code execution, print BSS travels of the tree. So let's run the code and check the output. So you can see this is the output. This is the Breadth-First Traverse code implementation. I hope now you have a good idea about level by level travel. So we come to the end of this video. We will meet again next video. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.